Today we will be unboxing Havells top-of-the-line tea coffee maker, the Crystal. So let's get started, shall we? First, open the box and don't wait to look inside. Here we have the user manual right on top. It has all the information you would need to handle your brand new Crystal. Go through the instructions and get yourself familiar with your tea coffee maker. You can already see Crystal in all its glory. Now time to remove the plastic covering and check out the appliance. The first thing you notice about the Crystal is this beautiful glass body with one of its different design. It also has a streaks thermostat control which ensures greater longevity because we test each thermostat for more than 10,000 on-off cycles. And to top it all off, it's cordless, which means it can go wherever you want to take it in your kitchen. The Crystal has an extremely useful auto shut-off feature which lets you get on with other things while it shuts off after the water is boiled. For tea or coffee, all you have to do is put the tea leaves, a tea bag or coffee in the filter basket and just wait for it to brew and fall in the respective kettle. The Crystal also has a novel filter basket for brewing tea or coffee. It's removable for easy cleaning. The Crystal operates on 600 watts and is fitted with a 6 ampere 3-pin plug top. Now, even with the build quality of the Havells products, the Crystal comes with a 2-year warranty on the element, thermostat and buttons to add to your peace of mind. So as you've seen, the Crystal is just the product every kitchen needs.